In today's video, you will learn some unusual ways of using mouthwash, both to take care of your body and to clean your house. Many people use mouthwashes daily. Because of its antiseptic properties, this product has many different uses. Did you know that? Let's see unknown ways of using mouthwash. Gets rid of bad smells. Mouthwash can eliminate strong smells. You can use it after cutting onions and garlic or after dealing with fish. Rub your hands with some mouthwash. If your problem is stinky feet, use some mouthwash on your shoes to get rid of the smell. And you can also use it in your trash cans. Put some cotton balls soaked with mouthwash inside the trash to put an end to bad smells. Helps eliminate fungi from the nails and feet and relaxes them. Prepare a mixture of 1 cap of mouthwash and 1 cap of vinegar. Then soak a cotton pad in it and apply over the nail or foot 2 or 3 times a day. In a few weeks, your problem will be gone. Mouthwash also works for tired feet. Add 2 or 3 capfuls of mouthwash to a basin full of water. Soak your feet for 15 minutes and see the difference. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Cleans toothbrushes. Since mouthwash is an antiseptic, it is ideal for cleaning your toothbrush. Leave your toothbrush soaking in a glass of mouthwash for the whole night. Rinse with water the next day. Avoids fungi in the toilet and cleans the bathroom. Mix half a cup of mouthwash and 1 cup of water to clean the tiles. Pour some mouthwash into the toilet and leave it there for 1 hour to avoid fungi buildup. Cleans your washing machine. The washing machine requires regular care and sterilization, or its service life will be cut short. In addition to using specific products for cleaning your washing machine, you can also use mouthwash. Add 1/2 cup of mouthwash to the detergent drawer and do a complete washing cycle. Mold, harmful bacteria, and bad smells will all be eliminated. Another trick, do you know how to keep your flowers always fresh? Use mouthwash. Put the recently cut flowers in water. For every 17 ounces of water, add 3 capfuls of mouthwash. After a few days, they will still be fresh. So, did you like learning about these incredible uses for mouthwash? If you use any of these tricks, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.